Welcome to Wristo Studio. In this tutorial, your first Garmin watch face project. Sign in with your Wristo account space. On My Projects, click New Project. Give the project a simple name so you can find it later. Choose a Garmin watch model for the design canvas. Confirm the device and create the project. Wristo Studio now opens the watch face editor. The preview shows the selected Garmin watch. Use the left panel to add watch face elements. Add the time element to the canvas. Move the time into the center of the watch face. Adjust the design until the time is easy to read. Back on My Projects, you can see the new watch face card.